On today's episode of PJ and the Beard, we have a special edition of our new series, Shakedown Sound, and we're going to talk about what's in the box. And the Beard's going to tell you why we have the box and why we're opening it and why is it related to the series. A lot of pressure.
I feel like we should have a what's in the box stinger.
Yeah.
So the Shakedown Sound series is all about envelope filters, and either we have the largest envelope filter known to man,
Yes,
or we have something that's related but not an envelope filter. So in this journey of, because one of the things that I guess people wouldn't see when watching the series is how much time goes into the series prior to them happening, how much research, how much time we spend trolling the internet and looking at things and thinking about things. And so I actually ended up reaching out to Wes Steed over at Eastwood Guitars, and he helped us out with this. And I reached out to Wes because he was kind enough to have helped us out in the past
with the Revolta Mondata 8, which has been on the show a few times. He helped get that in because we wanted to have quasi-official guitar at times to use, and so they were kind. And
we got it in because we wanted to have another option.
Yeah.
And ended up using it in almost every Tremolo episode of every series of the Tremolo series.
Right.
Every episode of the Tremolo series. So anyway, reached out to him. And I guess we unbox it.
Yeah.
So as we get ready to do this, you're thinking to yourself, they reached out to Revolta about a guitar that would be good for the envelope series.
I'll give you a minute.
In the box, we have an Eastwood Jerry Garcia.
Tiger, right?
This is the Tiger. Unboxing and quick look. But you'll notice lots of switches. I think two of them maybe are coil taps. One of them engages the onboard effects loop, which is the reason this guitar was kind of got for the series. Because with envelope filters, Jerry Garcia kind of really made the envelope filter thing very popular and was a master at using that. And I think one of the reasons he was really able to use it to the degree he used it was that onboard effects loop in his guitar. And so we will do an episode on this guitar. And then I think we're going to do another episode solely on the onboard effects loop because we have talked to the people over at Rattlesnake Cable Company, and they're sending us some stuff to help make that really effective. Right away, I can't get over how much punch is coming out of this guitar. What about this?
What about that?
What about that? You know, if we're going to get a copyright. We need to spend some more time setting up the envelope filter to kind of get it.
Right.
But we said that in the season opener. It's not about
a tutorial for the Jerry tone.
It's not about getting the Jerry tone per se. mostly to do the envelope filters, I wanted something that we could feature an onboard effects loop, and there's no better place to go than here.
Feels very super stratty, right? Like you hit it, it chimes, it's hot output. It's cool. The neck.
Mix some genres.
They are hot.
For how hot those pickups are. They are hot.
That's really cool. That'll spend a little bit of time with this. I think we can coax a lot of different things out of this outside of just the envelope filter service. That's really nice.
So the Eastwood Tiger Jerry Garcia tribute. As always, thank you for watching. Thanks to everybody out there that's subscribing, hitting the like button, leaving a comment, clicking notifications, stopping out on Instagram or Facebook. We really appreciate it. Anytime you interact with the show, it really helps us out. And we'll have a whole episode on this guitar at some point and dive into it a little deeper. And then with all the envelope filters, and it's not about the Jerry tone, but you can't ignore the Jerry tone. So with that,
I'm PJ on behalf of the Beard, reminding you, no matter what you hear, you never have too much gear. I don't know. What am I going to do? Take a step that is new.